Now, this move comes right after US President Joe Biden's decision to investigate competing theories on how the virus emerged. US intelligence agencies have been asked to find out what the origin of the virus was. Was it a wet market in Wuhan or a laboratory in the same city? Now, Biden
Friends, today in this video I will show you how to make a powerful Bluetooth speaker at home. You can see that this is the eyeglasses box, and this is a circuit, and this is the speaker, and this is the battery, laptop battery, old laptop battery. So guys, let's start. This is a circuit. Plus, this is a minus. Speaker line. Now this is a charging point. So I will connect with this smartphone, power only Bluetooth. This is the speaker.
They say hypocrisy is a full-time job. It cannot be practiced at spare moments. A tech giant seems to have taken this phrase rather too seriously. I'm talking about Facebook. It has taken another U-turn one that is set to cause serious damage to its already battered reputation. First, the details. Facebook says that it will no longer censor.
I will show you how to charge this speaker. This is the 5 volt 2 ampere. You can see, guys. Now this is the port. This is the minus and this is the plus. You can see, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, like, comment and share.